with the handsome operator of this machine. And then the beautiful sales lady or the owner. Oh wow! So that's how you do it. From which country?
Hungary.
Hungary. Hi. Good luck for tomorrow. Yeah. And the last. So like really perfect. Is it really hot? Can you touch it? Okay. Is it like really dangerous? You'll get burned or you'll die. How many degrees is it? 150 degrees. And then that is like the time. And it's, whoa, look at that. In Philippines for tomorrow for the win. I hope we could be the champion. I'm hoping. Yeah, I'm hoping. I know Germany. Of course, I'm supporting Germany. Okay, I support the Philippines as well. Wow, it's really nice. It looks great. I did not get any discount from that. Because I'm gonna post this on my vlog. So I should get a discount. So you're going to have like a lot of customers when I post this one. Okay. 300! Yay! So here's like the 300. Oh, I don't have enough money already. I got only like 300. Here. Bye bye! Yeah, good luck to us! Bye! Good luck. Now we can